Hi everyone and welcome back to your channel Learn English Daily. I am Dev, your English teacher, and today we are going to learn a super useful phrase, used to. Do you ever think about things you did when you were younger but don't do now? Or maybe how your town was different in the past? Used to is perfect for talking about that. So let's see what does this phrase used to mean, right? So we use used to talk about past habits or past situations that are finished and not true anymore. So these are past habits and past actions or situations. So used to is used to describe past habits or past actions or situations. So we use it to emphasize something that has finished and not true anymore. So these are past habits and past situations and actions, and they are already finished, right? They are already finished and not true anymore. So these situations are not true anymore. They are already finished. Used to tell us two main things. Past habits, things you did regularly in the past, but now they have stopped, right? For example, smoking, playing a game, playing basketball, riding a bike, swimming, etc. So when you use used to, I used to swim. So that means you used to swim in the past, but now you don't swim. So it is finished. It is not true anymore. Now past actions or past states, situations or facts that were true for a long time in the past but aren't true now. So these are past states or past situations that were true for a long time in the past but they aren't true now. For example, living somewhere, being something. The important thing is it's different now. So this is the most important thing. It's different now. It's not true anymore. The event is already finished. The habit is already finished. It's not true. The action is already finished. It's not true. So now we learn how to use used to phrase in affirmative sentences. Making positive sentences is actually easy. So the form that we use for affirmative sentences is subject plus used to, right, plus base verb infinitive without to. So we will use the subject plus used to and the base verb, base form of the verb. The base verb is without to, infinitive without to. For example, play, live, eat, be, etc. Right? So let's look at some examples. So in a past habit, you can say, I used to play football every Saturday. Right? I used to play football every Saturday. So what does this mean? It means I played football regularly in the past, but now I don't. So I played football regularly in the past, but now I don't. So it's not true anymore. It was true in the past, but now it's not true, right? So let's look at another example. We used to eat out every weekend. right? We used to eat out every weekend, but now we prefer cooking at home. So we used to eat out every weekend. We used to do it before in the past, but now not. Now we don't. So it is not true anymore, right? Another example is this shop used to be a bookstore. This shop used to be a bookstore. Right? It was a bookstore before, but now it's something else. So it's not true anymore. Now we look at how to use used to phrase in negative sentence. So now how do we say something that didn't happen regularly in the past? We need the auxiliary verb did. So form for negative will be like this. Subject didn't plus used to. Subject plus didn't plus used to, and the base one. So this will be the for negative sentences. Subject plus didn't plus used to plus base one. This is the form for negative sentences. Carefully look at, here we use, not used. Right? Why? Because here we already use did. So when we use did, the base form of the verb is used with did. So we use used to. So subject plus didn't plus used to plus base one. So let's take a look at some examples. He didn't used to like broccoli, but now he loves it. He didn't used to like broccoli, but now he loves it. Right? He didn't used to like broccoli, but now he loves it. They didn't used to have a computer. They didn't used to have a computer. They didn't have a computer in the past, but now they have. It's not true anymore. Another example, I didn't used to speak English very well when I first moved here. Right? I didn't used to speak English very well when I first moved here. So I didn't used to speak English in the past, but now I can. But now I speak English well. So it's not true anymore. Right? Now we look at the form for interrogative sentences to ask questions about past habits or states. Here we also use did. So what will be the form? Form for interrogative, did plus subject plus used to plus base verb. So form for interrogative would be did plus subject plus used to plus base verb, right? So let's again look at some examples. Did you used to play hide and seek as a child? Did you used to play hide and seek as a child? So the answer could be yes I did or no I didn't. So here we are asking the child whether you used to like to play hide and seek as a child. We are asking someone that, and he may answer yes I did or no I didn't. So used to is always used to ask about the past situations or past habits, right? So a quick important point for you are that don't confuse used to plus base verb with be used to plus ing form or noun, or get used to plus ing or noun, right? So this is a different use case. Used to plus verb means past habit or state, it is finished. But be plus used to plus ing or noun, be accustomed to something, like it's normal for you. Get used to plus ing noun, become accustomed to something, the process, right? So let's recap. So used to means past habits or past actions or past states. Affirmative used to plus verb, negative didn't used to plus verb, and for question did used to plus verb, right? So that's it for today's class. Please like and share the video and subscribe to my channel for more videos about English and English grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation and everything. I will be making more videos, and if you have any queries or you want any video about any particular topic, please write in the comments below and I will make a video on that. Thank you friends, thank you for watching.